What's up guys, Joey here of Tech, and we just got our hands on the Lenovo Z6 Lite. It literally just arrived in the office today, so why don't we check it out? But first, let's take it out of the box. So first, as usual, we have that smaller box that contains the SIM ejector tool, manuals, and warranty card, and of course a clear case. Then below that, we have the phone itself, a USB Type-C cable, and the charger. Now looking at the Z6 Lite itself, what strikes me as really interesting is this funky color that Lenovo calls Stardust. What makes it interesting actually is that yes, it's a gradient finish, but the color changes depending on the angle at which you look at it. Looking at it straight on shows you green, but when you move the phone around, it turns purple. I really appreciate this, especially since it's not only the back panel that has this effect, but also the sides of the device. While the back has a nice finish, it's not made of glass, it's plastic. But then again, at this low price point, expecting glass is unreasonable, which is why it's no big deal. I also like the gold accents around the triple rear cameras, fingerprint scanner, and all the text at the back. Flipping things over to the front, we have a 6.3-inch IPS display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080. We have a water drop notch at the top that houses the 16-megapixel front camera. On the right side, we have all the buttons, volume and power, while on the left side is a hybrid dual SIM tray. And finally, down at the bottom, the headphone jack, microphone, Type-C port, which is nice, and the loudspeaker. Powering the Z6 Lite is a Snapdragon 710 chipset with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. And for battery, it's a 4050 mAh cell with support for 15W fast charging. And for cameras, at the back, you have a 16-megapixel main sensor, 8-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor. And in front, a 16-megapixel selfie camera. So for now, since this is just a hands-on, check out the sample photos we have so far. I'm honestly surprised with this device. I mean, for under 10,000 pesos, it doesn't just have great specs, just the way it feels in the hand, it's solid and premium. Definitely not as much as a flagship phone or anything, but as a phone in general. My first impression for this device is good so far, and I can't wait for us to take it for a full review, and I'm sure you guys can't wait to see that either. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Let me know what you think about the Lenovo Z6 Lite in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey. I'll see you guys in the next one.